Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Chainlink once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for everything that you do. Thank you for your level of support, sharing the videos, liking the videos, and commenting on the videos as well, and obviously your subscription on the channel. Thank you for helping us grow into over 250,000 subscribers. It's amazing. So right now, Chainlink broken out of this ascending triangle. I gave you a breakout target, I think, in the previous video from there to there. And you're roughly on your way to 37.59, around about that sort of area for Chainlink. So it's doing really, really well. Okay, from that break right there, that offers a long of around about 14% roughly for Chainlink. It's doing extremely well. You see you've broken out, came back to a key level of support, the 4-hourly 20. You're slowly going upstairs, aren't you? So potentially right now, you know, you're forming a new impulsive wave. If you start to break that, these are your levels of resistance moving forward. And you can see that's around about the technical target. So you are marching through to the 1618. So there's further appreciation here for Chainlink of around about 5.2%. But once you do that, okay, once you do that, you are taking out this level here. Okay, you start to take out that level here, and you are looking extremely bullish here for Chainlink moving forward. I think on the weekly time frame just there since the previous update, see, since my previous update here, we were struggling to close above this at the moment. Okay, so right now we've bolted out this level of resistance just there, providing we can continue to do this for Chainlink and come up here and close the week above 33.57. We're looking extremely bullish here for Chainlink on the weekly time frame, okay, because you're above the 20, you're holding it as support. Worst case scenario, like I've said to you so many times, you start to roll over, put some cheeky bids on the 20 if you do start to see a really, really big correction here for the crypto market caps, because we had that whopping ABC correction just there in September, okay, that we all went through. ABC correction on the daily, if you look at it, you see it better. A whopping ABC. Look at that for a perfect ABC correction like that. W bottom, flip to switch, you're reversing the trend, and you know you're reversing anyway, because if you look on the daily just here for Chainlink, let's tidy this up for you. You're beginning, if you start to come up and meet this impulsive wave target, and you get the close out up there and you start to roll back, you can see what you're doing. You're putting in a low, a high, a higher low. You come up here, run into a resistance, roll back, you put in a higher high. You could come all the way back down there, okay, just a little bit shy of that, and still be putting in a higher low. Do you see that? And you're still bullish, basically, you know, so it's really, really good. Chainlink's looking for an explosive breakout here. You know, we do need to see the week close above that key level of resistance just there, around about 33.62. So if we can get up above that, close this week out nice as well, you know, you're looking amazing for continuation here, regardless of any kind of pullback, you know, because you can see your last level of pullback is all the way down here on the 55 EMA on the weekly, which currently sits at 23.90. You know, you could have a little wick down to that and still be bullish like you did here on an ABC correction. So yeah, it's doing really well in this bull market. You know, we are looking at this latter part of the bull market being the most sort of violent and sort of, you know, euphoric. Basically, it always has been. You know, doesn't mean it has to be again, but providing we can keep doing what we're doing and coming up the stairs and breaking out key levels of resistance, you will be looking at a minimal $124 with the overshoot to the 2 at $209 up there for Chainlink in this bull market. Okay, so yeah, it's doing everything it needs to. It's looking really, really good for continuation. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong. You can see here you're breaking out of a horizontal look, which I think I gave you a few weeks ago anyway. This is a weekly time frame. You're coming up at a horizontal, you've got a level of resistance, level of support, and you're breaking out basically. So you've got a technical break coming all the way back up to retest that high for Chainlink. So it's looking really, really good. Where could I get some bids in? Well, on the 4-hourly time frame, just keep longing the 20, you know, because you're coming down to it. You did fall a bit under there and get bounced off at 55, you know, worst case scenario, boom, 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 55, holding support, looking for continuation. Take that high. Take out that high, like I said, you're looking at $37 price tag. You know, at that point I wouldn't expect a level of resistance. One thing you can use on the daily time frame, okay, is the VPVR to see where key levels of resistance are. So if we take a look at the VPVR, you can see just here, we move it over, you can see there's a little bit of resistance just there at 36. So once you do get by that and gets that technical target around about 37, you could see you could actually explode even more coming up to that node just there around about $40. Once you get by that cluster there, it's pretty much thin air to this level here, which is around about 47. And again, once you start to take out that, look, you're in price discovery and you're gone. So you have got a couple of levels of resistance just here for Chainlink. One is at 36.74, which is just below the technical target of this ascending triangle in an impulsive way, which you're beginning to form because you're breaking the high just there. So there is a little bit of resistance at 3663. So I do think you might run into that impulsive target, start to come back, and at that point, you know, putting a bit more retracement and then start to go back up again for Chainlink. It's looking good. It's looking really, really good, isn't it? Take care, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and thank you for your support. Bye-bye.